Hey there, my name is Thomas. In today's video, I will show you Lex AI, a smart tool that helps make writing easier and better. Let's jump right in. What is Lex AI and how can it help you? Lex AI is a smart writing tool that's easy to use, like a simple word processor, but with powerful AI. It helps you come up with ideas, rewrite text, and gives quick feedback while you write. Lex is great for beating writer's block and making writing faster and easier. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: user-friendly. Interface: Lex has a clean and simple design that makes it easy to focus on your writing. With nothing extra to get in the way, you can work more efficiently. AI assistance. Lex acts like a personal writing helper by rewriting content, suggesting new ideas, and offering helpful feedback. It's perfect for improving your text or overcoming writer's block. Collaboration features. You can share documents with others instantly and work on them together in real time. There's no need to install extra app, making teamwork easy and seamless. Disadvantages: limited long-form content generation. Lex is great for helping with writing, but it's not the best option for creating long articles or books. You may need other tools if your project is big. Basic features in free version. While the free version is useful, some of the more powerful tools are only available with a paid plan. This might limit what you can do without upgrading. Price: Lex has a free version, so you can start using it without paying or needing a credit card. If you want extra features, there's a premium plan for $18 per month, which includes better AI tools and more advanced options. How to use this tool: 1. Go to the official website Lex AI. The link is in the description. 2. Then click on the button Get Started. After that, you just have to create a new account. You can create a new account through Google or just by email. 3. Then pick what kind of writing you mostly do. Very simple. 4. Then pick what are your main writing goals. 5. How did you hear about Lex AI? You can put my YouTube channel. That would help a lot. Thank you. 6. And that's it. Registration is completed. Next, click on the Start. 7. From now on, you can create text and LUX AI will help you. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insight. Thanks for watching.